Hi there everyone, hello and welcome back. It's me again, it's Teacher Liza, and today we are going to continue with our CVC words, and we are going to learn the medial sound ah. Alright, so I hope you are all ready. I want you to zip your lip, and I need you to have your listening ears and look. Okay, and you have to also point with your beautiful finger. Okay, so are you ready? Oh, you're ready. Okay, so our first word that has the medial sound of ah is ta-da! It's a, do you know what this is? It's a cab. Okay, repeat after Teacher Liza and say cab. So if you're going to read, point with your beautiful finger and say k-ab, 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 cab. Okay, it's a cab. Now let's take off the letters and put them according to where they belong. Okay, so the first one is k-k-k, and the second one is ah. Okay, and the third one is b. Okay, now let's read it one more time and read with me. Point with your beautiful finger. K-ab, k-ab, cab, cab. Very good. That's a cab. Okay, our next word. What do you think is our next CVC word? Ta-da! Okay, what do you think is this? It's a brown bag. A brown bag. So let's read the words together and point with your beautiful finger. Say b-ag, 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 bag. Okay, it's a bag. Now let's take that off. Oops. Oops. And let's put them together. So the first letter is b. And and the g. Alright, shall we read the word again? It's b. Okay, let me fix that one first. B-ag, b-ag, bag, bag. Very good. It's a brown bag. Okay, next word, Teacher Liza. Oh, this is what I feel when it is raining outside. When it's raining, Teacher Liza feels sad. I feel sad, 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 sad. Okay, I feel sad. Okay, now let's try to take off the three-letter words and then put them together. Okay, so the first sound is s, s, s. Good. And the next sound is ah. And the third sound is the d. Okay, now let's try to read it one more time. Point with your beautiful finger. Sad, 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 sad. Okay, I hope you're not sad. Okay, our next word. What do you think is our next word, Teacher Liza? Oh, I like to eat this one. It's yummy. I like to put this on the bread and then I eat it with some juice, together with juice. Okay, what do you think is it? Ta-da! It's a strawberry jam. Okay, strawberry jam. Let's read it. Jam, jam. Now let's try to take it off and put them together. Okay, can you help me? First one is j. And the second one is ah. And And the third one is Okay, let's try to read it. Jam, jam. Very good. I like to eat jam. I like to eat jam. Okay, thank you, Teacher Liza. Thank you for listening. All right, next one. Okay, I like to play this. It's a sport. You use this to hit the ball. What do you think is this? It's a It's bat. Bat. This is a bat. So when you play, what sport is this? I forgot. What sport is this? It's a baseball? Yeah, I think it's baseball. So you use a bat. So let's try to take it off and put the words together. Okay? So the first one is Okay. And the second letter or sound is Okay. And the third sound is the t. Alright. So let's now read it again one more time. Point with your beautiful finger, please. Bat. Very good. Good job, you. Our next word is when you go on a treasure hunt. You use a map. Map. What is this again? A map. Okay, good. Do you have a map for the treasure? Okay, I hope you do. And let's take that off. All right, and let's try to put it back again. Okay, our first sound is All right, first one goes right there, and our next sound is Okay, and the third sound is the p. Okay, so let's read it one more time. Map. Okay, the map for your treasure, a golden treasure. A treasure chest maybe filled with diamonds and golds and silver and precious stones. Okay, right. Next word is when you light the candle, the one that's dripping on the candle is called a axe. Wax. Okay, what is this again? A wax. Now let's try to take it off. Ping. Okay, the first sound is doo-doo. And the next sound is doo-doo. And the third sound is All right, so let's try to read the word one more time. Wax. Okay, you see the candle that's dripping when you light it? The wax is dripping. Okay, wow, good job, you. The last but not the least card is with the sound is a fan. It's a fan. Okay? Fan. Okay, in the Philippines where I live, it's really hot, so we need to use and turn on the fan all the time. Okay, so now help me put them back again on their proper place. So the first sound is okay, and the second sound is and the last sound, the final sound is an. Okay, now let's read it one more time together. Fan. Very good. It can be very hot, so Teacher Liza needs a fan. Okay, good job, you. Wow, that was fast. You learned a lot of words today that has the medial sound of the Okay, so thank you so much for listening to Teacher Liza. I will see you next time on our next lesson, which will be CVC words with the Alright? Are you excited? Okay, thank you very much. I will see you next time on our next lesson. Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, dear students. Goodbye to you and you and you and you and you and you and you. Bye bye everyone. See you next time.